Hello my money friends, welcome back to the channel. Dunk here from Dunk's Money. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing. I really appreciate the support, and thank you for all the liking and commenting on my previous videos. If you are new to the channel, I'm Dunk. I'm from Scotland. I'm an entrepreneur and then I'm an investor. I'm really interested in finance, and this is my YouTube channel where I will share stocks and shares sorts of tips, financial issues and other sort of money matters. I'll be posting videos here. So make sure to subscribe so that you get all my latest videos, and I hope that you will enjoy them. I started off in the world of finance about five years ago or so, and I understand that it can be quite confusing at first, but don't worry, you will get there. Keep watching the videos and watch other folk as well, and you'll learn lots more about finance. I hope you enjoy. Hello YouTube, hello money friends, welcome back to another episode here on Dunk's Money with me, Dunk. Today I'm going to talk about the difference between Class A and Class B. And no, we're not talking illicit drugs, I'm talking about Royal Dutch Shell shares. So if you all cast your minds back to the 5th of May 2020, I posted a video of me, yours truly, buying shares in Royal Dutch Shell Class A. And if you remember, I was so excited buying my shares at £13 a share, thinking I would hit the big time during the oil dip and everything was all lovely and rosy. But I made a big boo-boo. So, only after purchasing the shares, I discovered that when it comes to Royal Dutch Shell, they have Class A shares and they have Class B shares, as I'll show you in these screenshots here that was highlighted to me. So there he is, there's Dunk from Dunk's Money. So excited, thinking he is the master of buying stocks in Shell at £13 a share. He's going to exploit the current oil dip and hopefully earn a nice wee dividend once they reinstate the dividend. But then there's a few comments on the video. Let's have a look. Shell Class A shares are open to Dutch tax, whereas Class B are on the UK stock exchange, so not open to Dutch tax. The Class A shares are also on the London Stock Exchange. Oh, let's see what else there is. But I think you bought the wrong one. Really? Me, Dunk, the master of stocks and shares, buying the wrong share? Surely not. So those wonderful YouTubers highlighted to me that, Dunk, you're an idiot, you didn't check properly, and you have purchased shares in Shell, but you have purchased the class of shares in Shell which are taxed by the Dutch legal system and not the British legal system. So I will tell you the difference between the Class A and the Class B. So although the Royal Dutch Shell Class A shares I bought are listed on the stock exchange, and yes, this is where it gets a bit confusing, they are actually taxed by the Dutch system. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you buy the Class B Royal Dutch Shell shares, because they're taxed by the British system. And as we know, if you get paid dividends by the British equivalent, you have your £2,000 dividend allowance, which is great. However, the Class A shares that I bought are taxed by the Dutch, and it's a 15% withholding tax that they pay, that they charge before the dividend is paid to me. Obviously, Shell have slashed the dividend anyway, but it's just for something for you to bear in mind when buying Royal Dutch Shell. Make sure you buy Class B and not the Class A, which I bought. So yes, hindsight is a wonderful thing, and that is the joy of investing in stocks and shares and trading. Is just when you think you've mastered it, you learn something new. And I'm a bit confused as to why they're on the London Stock Exchange, but that's something I'll work out in due course, or maybe somebody wonderful can explain below. But I'll find that out anyway. But yeah, make sure you buy the Class B, not the Class A shares. That's if you want to buy the British equivalent. And that way you won't be paying tax on the dividends. Although they're not paying dividends at the moment, they were slashed, hence the drop in the stock price due to the current oil battle. The oil prices are all over the place, as we know. They're hitting rock bottom. I mean, today, the 15th of May 2020, driving past a well-known supermarket, I saw that you can now purchase 1 litre of petrol for 99 pence, which is insane. I can't really remember fuel prices like that since I was a little boy. So as we know, the oil price has come down dramatically. So yeah, please just learn from my mistake. I'm going to keep my Shell shares. I'm quite happy, but just bear that in mind. So just to update you, I bought those shares on the 5th of May. These were the Dutch ones, not the British ones, the Dutch ones, which charge you tax on the dividends before you paid them. Don't buy those ones, unless you want to, of course. I bought those at £13 a share, and today, which is 10 days later, they're now at £12.30. So they've dropped by 70 pence a share, which is fine. I kind of expected it because obviously right now the turmoil with the oil price, I was kind of expecting it, I suppose. I'm quite happy with it because I'm playing the long game. Anyways, so that's fine. Also bear in mind that when the dividend is reinstated, or hopefully is reinstated, with my Class A shares being that they are taxed by the Dutch system and not the British system, they actually will pay the dividend in euros. So bear that in mind as well with the Class A. So just make sure that if you're in Britain, just make sure you're buying the Class B Dutch Shell shares, and then that means you're getting the full dividend, even though they're not paying it. But once they start paying the dividend again, you'll get the full dividend, and you'll get your £2,000 allowance. Don't do what I did. Don't be an idiot like me. It's a mistake. I'm sure there's more out there that have done the same thing as I have, but it's a mistake to learn from, and that's fine. Let me know below in the comments if you've done the same thing as me. If you know why they're listed on the London Stock Exchange, please explain to me below. I'd be interested to know why that is. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. And don't forget, guys, to hit subscribe for all my latest videos as they come out. I'm planning on putting up some more videos of me buying some more stock and shares. Maybe hopefully some more stock tips. I might do a review of my portfolio and an update on some of my other investments I have. And if this video has brought you any sort of enjoyment, please hit like, just so I know I'm doing the right thing here, guys. But stay safe during the coronavirus lockdown and enjoy trading. So I really hope you enjoyed that video there. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment below and tell me what you think. If you like this video, please make sure to like it, and please remember to hit subscribe and you'll get all my latest videos. All the best, guys. I'm Dunk and I love money, so should you.